welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C. I'm outside of Maple Leaf Square building here, going into Longo's. Today's the last day for the BOGO sale, so we're gonna go inside, okay? Let's go. Open says me. Pick up the flyer so I can show you. I don't know if anyone else has BOGO sales in their area. Like the toilet paper, buy one, get one for free. But how much are they? I don't buy small rolls of toilet paper. They trick you. That's another thing too I need to do something on. Oh, this one says 300 sheets per roll, but they look small inside. So here's the flyer. So they have the ground beef, the shrimp, and all these other things. I don't know if I get it on camera. And then the regular sales are inside the flyer. To give you an idea. So this started the 30th and it's ending today. The 30th of December? Oh wow, that's a good stretch. I didn't even realize that. So, but the thing is, how much is... So you're saving $13.49 for the toilet paper. I don't know about that. Okay, focus. I actually go to the meat department. I use the Silk brand, but they don't have soya. Oh, and it's right here. So two for $7. This is not part of the BOGO, but I used to drink the cow's milk. I still do if I have to. Oops, not China, but. Okay, where's the BOGO? Is this BOGO? Get out. No way. Buy one, get one for free. And they're huge. Alright. So they're the huge pack. This one looks good. This one's $13.84. I don't need all that ground beef. Then I will get a smaller pack. So let's see. Here you go. This one's $13.62. Let's see. This one's less. So this one's $13.56. So it's the $13.62. The first one I grabbed was $13.84. I can freeze, like I can make burger patties, and then find the least one as well. So this one's $11.93, pretty much $12. And there's one that's $11.74. But if I have to pay for the most expensive one, I might as well get one that's $12. Let me see. Okay, I have a better idea. 12.76. Or even stick to the 13. Okay, let me ask them as well. So I need one that's, so this is $13.56. So even if I find one that's $13.50, that's $13.56. So that's what I'm gonna pay for, I think. I'll double check. Yeah, because I'm gonna do some, I want to do a chili, beef chili. Sausages. That's not part of the BOGO. This is lean ground beef. Alright. See anything else? They used to have they would have steak too. Doing a prime rib one of these days. Part of the BOGO, but they're $5.99 for breakfast sausages. So grab some of that. Look around a bit more. chili, I do need some tomatoes. I'm not sure when I'm gonna do the chili. It might come out again. I don't need too much. Just came out for the BOGO ground beef. More chips. No, I shouldn't. Seems my craving for my chips are gone. Craving. I was craving for chips. Ruffles, plain chips for the longest time. Oh, actually, I do need to replenish my pasta. So I should get some of those. Penne. I use penne for my Greek pasta salad. I should make that one of these days. Baby shells are good too. Alright, load up on that. Oh, I prefer the smaller ones. I keep looking at the wrong and grabbing the wrong thing. Okay, these are the smaller penne. Yeah, I'm gonna do the different sizes. Oh, they have them here too. And more. Let's see, macaroni. Oh, there's the macaroni. And maybe one day I'll do macaroni and huh. I haven't made a macaroni and cheese in a while. So I'll go after get home, make the burger patties that I have a video on already. So, and then use it. So I'm just trying to. Oh, I needed hot dogs. So I like if I'm gonna make chili, I like hot dogs in my, or I like to do chili dogs. So I gotta get some buns for my hot dog. Found a buns for hot dogs, like big buns, that is. Oh, I should grab, but I was going to use the three pata buns that I have left. I'm gonna make burgers. I don't need the slider buns. I'm not gonna make them into sliders. I'll make some for down the road. Maybe I'll get these and freeze them. Come back out. I still need duck buns. They have them. White hot dog buns, but I won't have to find good crusty tape like their buns. These type. And then when they make these like baguettes, then they're too much. These to me are bready. These are bready. These would be neat if they made them into the cheese stick breads. They made them into hot dog buns. Alright, let's see. The onion buns here. These are, to me, these are Kaisers, I would say. Yeah, they're called Kaisers, these ones. Now, do I want this? I don't know. No, these are pretzel bread. Not. That would be neat. Nice change for, but I don't know if they cut well as a hot dog bun. Oh, these are $4.99. That one's $4.40. No. Why? Oh, $5. What should I get? And again, I don't need all these. No, I'm not gonna get these ones. Alright, let's see what's here. Toast my buns. Alright. What do I need? Oh, wait. There's these pretzel buns here. These look good. Oh. Maybe I'll get these. They're wet feeling. I think what they do is they freeze them. I don't mind these are nice. I'm gonna get these instead. These are a bit more. They're $5.99. Well, $6. So $4.99. Well, $4. So I'll give these a try. This brand is good. So, alright. Yeah. Brioche. Oh, they have brioche hot dog buns too. I'll take both. I'm always freeze them. Right? Here I go buying too much. Alright. No, I have to look for hot dogs. Let's go back to where the milk is. No. Chilli Chilli. I do need the chili. $7.99. I need some cheese now. Beef, water, corn syrup, and everything else. Normally I don't even look, I just buy it. But just to be curious. 17% fat. Chicago one has 28. Oh no, actually, no. Chicago has 17, and the Snyder's have 28. Well, Chicago wins. Chicago wins. Cheddar cheese. Get more the Longo points. No, this one. Prices are tricky. Those one says $8.99. This one's $8.49. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is Black Diamond. The other one's Cracker Barrel. Alright. And then I need couple of cans of diced tomatoes. Where is it? I always get turned around here. I think it's over here. I think I have kidneys. I have kidneys at home already. Kidney beans. So I like to get the diced tomatoes. 2 cans should be enough. That's it for now. I'm not even sure if this is going to be starting with the BOGO. I'm going to show you what I'm going to make in the video. I don't know. We'll see. good. That's good. No, that's good. Go to the cache, so I'm going to turn this off for now. Alright, all done. Heading out. Great to have a shopping buggy. Over. I usually gauge how much I want, like if it fills up the shopping cart, that should be enough, but I went a bit over with the buns. Oh, it's dark out. Open sesame. Okay, so I guess this is it for this shopping part of the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a video of me making the chili, maybe, and putting together a chili dog. That would be fun. Alright, so we'll see. Alright. Alright, we're back in my kitchen and we're going to be making quick chili. And the recipe calls, it's very simple ingredients, so it's really simple. So I'll go over what the recipe asks for. So it's ground beef. It's 1.5 pounds of ground beef, or just whatever, a pack of ground beef I think would be fine. So it asks for 1 cup of chopped onions, which is here, and I'm going to use more because I just need to use up my onions. Next up is the 2 cloves of garlic, which I've crushed here. And the spices are here. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. We have 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And we have half a teaspoon of chili flakes, or you can use minced jalapeno peppers. Next is a 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper, and then 1 can of tomatoes. I prefer the diced tomatoes, so that's here. And then the next one is ½ cup of beef stock, or beer, or water. I don't have beer or beef stock, so I'm going to just use the water. And then a can of red kidney beans, which I already rinsed off and drained. Okay. So, and then salt and pepper to taste. So that's it for the ingredients. So I will put it all together, saute the onions, and then we'll go from there. So I just put some olive oil into this pan, waiting for it to heat up. I'll start with the onions, I guess, yeah, and garlic. Okay, the recipe is asking you to cook the beef first, drain fat, and then add onions. See, now I like to do it the other way. Saute onions and garlic and then the beef. So I'll do it my way. But that's, yeah, I believe like recipes are more like a guideline anyway, and then you modify it to your liking. Okay, that's a lot of onions, but it's in. I'll saute this. I'll probably do the garlic later, like closer to the end. Like I've mentioned it before, I find the garlic, if I cook it in here, for some reason, I find the garlic gives me a heartburn that way. So I'll do it after. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to just saute this. Alright, I'm going to put in the spices now. Let's cook it. Give it a stir. So I'm just spreading out the onions and spices along the side. I'm going to put the meat in. Might add a bit of oil, I'm not sure, but because there's going to be beef oil anyway. So ground beef is in. I've been breaking it up with the spoon. I'm going to give it a good stir so it's going to cook evenly. Okay, so I'm going to continue this. Okay, so it's cooking along here. I didn't add any more oil because I got the beef fat coming out. So, a few more minutes and I'll add everything else in. I think the water goes in soon. I'm not sure. Yes, the water will go in soon. I have to drain all this fat. Okay, so I drained out most of the fat. Next up, I'm going to put the diced tomatoes with the juice and the water. And this is where I'm going to put the garlic as well. Okay. All right. So I'm going to give this a stir and then bring to boil and then simmer. So the kidney beans will go in last here. Now the kidney beans are going to go in. Stir. It's gonna, I'll bring it to a boil and then simmer for 15 minutes with cover it with the lid. So I've covered it. Now it's gonna simmer for 15 minutes and then 30 minutes uncovered until desired thickness. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, so I'm gonna take the lid off. All right, it's been 15 minutes. I've taken the lid off. I'm going to give it a stir. So it's going to continue simmering for 30 minutes uncovered. And I'll stir it in between the 30 minutes. All right, the chili is still simmering, uncovered. I'm going to go ahead and make this hot dog, Chicago 58, which I have never tried before. I'll just make it in my toaster oven, and that's just pretty basic. And I will be using the brioche hot dog rolls. I have one already being toasted in the oven. I like my buns warm. And yeah, so just, you know, straight in the toaster oven. I'll probably do some slicing in the middle so when it cooks it can expand. So yeah. Okay, so here's the hot dog. I'm gonna cut into it just by making an X. First, you can go this way, like so, and without cutting yourself, so make sure you just making an X. Okay. There we go, and that's going to go in the toaster oven, and you'll see when it's on the bun how it looks. Okay, that's all. And when it cooks, it's going to open up, and that's how I can judge when it's cooked thoroughly. Okay. All right, so I have the hot dogs, or the hot dog, I'm just having one hot dog, in the toaster oven cooking. So, and I already toasted the bun, lightly toasted, because it is quite fresh and soft, and I prefer it a bit firm-ish, but still soft in the middle, that sort of thing. And this bun seems to be quite small. I don't know if the hot dog is going to be on top, and then where am I going to put the chili? I want to put the chili on top. So that's another thing too. I have to find the right hot dog bun to do my chili dogs. I shredded the cheese ahead of time. So now we'll just have to wait for the hot dog, and then I'm going to put on. Here's the hot dog. Came out of the toaster oven. So I pretty much just put the knife like X marks here. I've cut it down this way. I've just do slices like this, and lately I've been into the X. It looks cool. Cool. All right, and now see, this is where I'm gonna like, okay, the chili is not enough room for the chili on top. So, yeah, definitely not enough room. And then my chili, because there's kidney beans, I don't know, it's gonna be messy. So we're gonna put it on top like so. Well, I guess it's supposed to be messy. I'm gonna just I think that's good. Oops. So there we go, and then I'm gonna top it with some more cheese. All right, so I'm putting cheese on top, like so. It doesn't have to be neat. That's what makes it fun. And that's the chili dog. Messy one. Yummy. Can't wait to bite into this one. And I won't be doing this biting into it on camera. All right, I'm gonna sign off. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video on how I make my chili and putting together a chili cheese dog. I mean, this could go back into the oven, melt the cheese and all that, but this works. So give a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.
Bye for now.